buddy. Oh, gotta clean this camera here. Oh yeah, there you go. Can you see me now? Alright, so check it out. Today we're doing some sprinkler repairs.
Can you see me now?
You can't see me now. But anyway, so we're doing this sprinkler repair job here today. And we found this pipe. Now, it's broke. And I'm going to show you here why it's broke. So, it looks like the city is coming in and installing this fiber optic shit. Just kidding. It's actually good stuff, but they put a box right here, right? Well, there's a sprinkler line right here, and it connects. Look at that. They just like right through that pipe. Just push that right down in. So it broke. So this broke this pipe. So now we gotta connect this pipe back to this pipe so we can run that sprinkler right there. As you can see though, I don't think these sprinklers were even, I don't even think they were even on. So I don't know what to tell you on that. Wasn't our fault. We just got this to come and make sure they're on. So they were on, but the timer was disconnected. So actually the timer was unplugged. Who unplugs the timer? I'll tell you who. The tenants. It's the tenants. Just kidding, I don't know. But here we are. Oh, happy July 24th.
Pioneer Day for
Pioneer Day for the Utahns. Utahns. Yeah, look at that pipe. They just pounded. Well, so they must have, I don't know if they moved. It's obviously not right up against that. So they did something right here that basically.
Oh, there's the other piece to it right there.
Yeah. So. Oh, good. So wait.
The other piece to it's right there.
Okay, well we're gonna dig this little section up just to make sure there's nothing else broke right here. Then we will make the repair. But look at that. Look at that. We'll get it dug up. And
Hey, here it comes.
so we ended up cutting a chunk out here. It was bent, but we decided to go with this fitting right here. It's PVC lock. Show us that in there. It's basically that just slides over the pipe. It's got these little metal fittings here that keep it locked on there. So we're gonna, well, I guess he didn't want to spittle on it.
Well, I don't have magic spittle like you do.
But then you just kind of get it wet a little bit and
There's that one.
slide it on there. Now it'll kind of go on, but you just, once you've done it a few times, you feel it slip in there a little bit. There you go.
There we go.
Got that little extra. All right. Me and my special cap here. We're gonna have Matthew go kick this on. We're gonna just see if it works. Right here. You just saw us put that on. We'll see if it works. I always get so nervous. I always get so nervous when I do this. It's like the first time, you know? First sprinkler repair. Oh yeah, look at that. Boom. Now we got our sprinkler working. No more leak. However, look at that. Look at that. Boom. So see, there's our flex pipe. Now it'll go right around that little whatever they put in here. So my only issue here on this property and the way they installed these sprinklers are, we've got a rotor right there in that corner. We got a rotor right there in that corner. Then we got freaking pop-up heads right here. Now, that's stupid. If you're installing sprinklers, I've already made another video on this. Don't do that. So, I don't know who put these sprinklers in. I don't care. All I care about is it makes it hard for us to get the timing right when we've got rotors. Now, these ones, I'll tell you, let me clear this up. These ones aren't as bad because being on a corner like that, we're only going a quarter turn versus some of these are like half turns, which obviously they're rotating more, which means less water. Versus the pop-ups that are a full spray all the time. So, anyways, that's that. Mom Street's over there hiding in the shade. Just kidding. Hey, but anyways, we're gonna put all this back. We're gonna make it look like nobody was here. Except sometimes we don't succeed, and honestly it looks like shit. But you start digging stuff up, start looking like crap. But anyways, alright, there you have it. Easy repair, easy fix. And now we're gonna move on to the next one. So like and subscribe, check out the channel, leave a comment. I don't know, hit the dislike button if you don't like it. But yeah, peace out. Till next time.